Science experiment. Tape grass in a pot of soil. Question. Mina planted tape grass in a pot of soil and watered it regularly. After a few days, the plant died. Which of the following is the most appropriate reason for it? Options. 1. Tape grass flourishes more on ground than in pot. 2. Tape grass is an aquatic plant. 3. Tape grass does not require regular watering. 4. Water might be of bad quality. This is the pictorial representation of the question. The first diagram shows us, the tape grass is planted in pot of soil and watered regularly. The second diagram shows us, though the plant is watered, the plant dies. This is a tape grass plant. Let us learn, what does the tape grass mean? 1. Tape grass is a large, submersed, perennial plant. 2. Tape grass is common in still and fast-flowing waters. 3. It is a popular aquarium plant. 4. It is a submersed plant with long, ribbon-like leaves. 5. The upper leaf parts are sometimes found floating across the water surface. Let us analyze all the options. 1. Tape grass flourishes more on ground than in pot. This option is wrong because tape grass plant grows in water. Option 2. Tape grass is an aquatic plant. This answer is correct, as tape grass plant is an aquatic plant. Option 3. Tape grass does not require regular watering. This option is wrong, as tape grass plant grows only in water and without water plant will die. Option 4. Water might be of bad quality. This option is wrong, as water might not be clear when sand and fishes and other plants live in it. Option B is correct answer. Tape grass is an aquatic plant. Thank you for watching this video. Visit us at Facebook group, Iteach.